Hi friends, welcome to Ultra Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 32-inch LG LED TV. Here in this TV, here you can see this is the fault, white spot on the TV screen. See friends, also some portions of the display is having black shade. See friends, here you can see white spot on the middle of the TV screen and black shade on the other edges of the screen. This complaint is mainly because of bad LED backlights, and the white spot is because of the LED reflector. It's a common fault in this model. So here we are going to replace the faulty LED strip with a new one. See friends, now we opened. This is the reason for white spot issue on this TV. Because of these reflectors, these reflector caps will fall down easily from the LED backlight strip. So to repair this TV, we are going to replace the entire LED strip with a new one. See friends, instead of the old model LED strip, here we take new square dome LED strip. It's a new model. While comparing with the previous one, the advantage of this new model square dome LED strip is that the reflectors will not fall down. So we are going to install this new model LG square dome LED strip by replacing the old one. See friends, now we placed the new LED strip. While repairing the backlight related faults, we should always try to replace the entire LED strip with a new one. See friends, finally we connected panel, LVDS cable and all sockets back to TV, and here you can see the final result. See friends, now the picture is crystal clear. Now there is no white spot issue. Also here you can see the light is distributed everywhere on the screen. There is no black shade. So that's it. Now the TV is repaired successfully. So hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thanks for watching.